we have a very strong training and placement cell which caters to not only the placement needs but also to the training needs. That too, not only imparting training but also finding out the areas which need to be made strong in the students. So last evening I was discussing about today's program with Mr. Prashant Likhite, who is coming from TCS. And I was happy to note that Mr. Likhite already has a big list of the requirements in his presentation. So friends, let us give a warm welcome, a big hand to Siddharth Agarwal, Secretary of the Sagar Group. So last evening we were discussing about the presentation to be made today, and I was happy to note that Mr. Likhite, who is giving the inaugural session, has a big list of the requirements, apart from all these requirements. Again, my friends from Bhopal would already know about this Sagar Manthan. So Sagar Manthan is every year, not only for the final year students but also for the third year students. And it's not complicated, it's not complex, but a simple exercise for Manthan. Sir, these are our few tie-ups. Although it's a big list, but few of them are mentioned in this slide. Few more, and most of the companies have visited either once, twice, thrice to our campuses in Bhopal for picking up good students through the campus interview drives. Few laurels which our students have brought to us, to name a few. The first one is Tanmay Gupta, who scored good marks in Madhya Pradesh, all engineering colleges in Madhya Pradesh, and that's why this Chancellor's scholarship was given to our student Tanmay Gupta. Vivek Kumar, another boy, bright person, was selected as a commission officer in the army. Abhishek Tomar, and now an international expert, I would say, in the field of biodiesels, also got Young Scientist Award and published a lot of papers, not only in India but outside. Few more achievements which I would like to share with you. The last point, as you could see, is about Nirman. So this is another regular feature of SysTech, which is going to be organized this April 2004, encompassing all of the aspirants, all of the students who are energetic, who want to do something new, who want to design a new machine or a mechanism from mechanical engineering preferably, or from electronics or from electrical, whatever. This is a good platform for you, and friends from other engineering colleges from Bhopal, I invite all of you to participate in this Nirman 2014. Sports is another aspect. If you get time, please visit our sports center. We have a big field in SysTech, another big football field in the school just opposite to the building of the college. And that's why we could do all this. This is something interesting. So everybody asks before investing that what will I get out of it? So this is a list of the return, a specification of the return. If you go and purchase a mobile, you get a lot of features. So if you come to SysTech for engineering, you get all this. I need not read all of these, but yes, definitely it is a specification of the return which you get from SysTech. As much as 500 plus hours of training and placement. I'm not sure whether anybody else would be able to do this, would be able to do this much labor, this much of dedication and this much of devotion for these engineers who are going to be not only in academics, but also useful from the point of view of the industry. For artists or engineers who have passion in art or literature, we also have these clubs and groups within SISTEC. Sagar Fiesta, another recognized name in Bhopal. So another greeting, another welcome, another invitation from my side to all of the engineering students from Bhopal to be part of Sagar Fiesta, which we are going to organize on 11th, 12th and 13th of March this year. A mix of cultural and technical events. We have a lot of technical competitions. We provoke students to design some new thing, to present a new concept, to participate in some technical quizzes, technical riddles, and perform, thereby winning some prizes. And not only technical events, but we also have some cultural events, some cultural competitions, and the third day of Sagar Fiesta concludes. The function concludes with a cultural gala presentation from our students. Similarly, in our sister concerns, sister colleges of other campus, we have a similar event like this, which are called Euphoria and Shine. Sagar Shine and Sagar Euphoria. Okay. Music, aerobics, sports, dance, a glimpse of what's happening in SISTEC. Events such as aero modeling. I think the picture is clear to you. The photograph in the bottom line and the center. Want to see this? Okay, let me explain. This was a workshop which we recently conducted for aero modeling. It started with aero profile design, fabrication of the aero profile, assembly of the aircraft, small aircraft, fitting the remote control unit in that, and ultimately flying the aircraft around. So this was the whole process for mechanical engineers, which are mechanical engineering department people conducted, and ultimately now it's a popular event, and I'm sure this will be a regular feature and annual feature of mechanical engineering department. Aero modeling. Similarly, faculty development program, the bottom left picture which you can see, again a regular feature for our faculty to develop themselves, enrich themselves so that they are able to train their students in a better way. Now this is a usual feature which you would see in all colleges, the Students' Council, acting as a link between the students and the management, the teachers. Various bodies, many of them have international affiliations. For example, IEEE, Institute of Electronics and Electrical Engineers, or Society of Automotive Engineers Incorporated from USA. A lot of bodies which we are affiliated with and conduct the activities. Like Tata's, again I would quote Tata. We also have some CSR activities which are enlisted as seen on the screen. Quite a few of routine things, but here also we do things differently. For example, in library, we make the students and the faculty, or rather we enforce them to find out good books, good journals, suggest to the librarian, and thereby ultimately getting all those things. Wi-Fi campus, labs, workshops are part of the institute. This is another unique thing. I would personally request all of our guests coming from either Bombay or from Delhi to have a round of the campus, and you will see we also have a swimming pool. And this I can bet, a unique thing in Bhopal, in Madhya Pradesh and probably in India. No engineering institute would have a swimming pool, sir. Sports facilities, canteen and cafeteria, transportation. Another glimpse of SysTech activities. Some scholarships that we offer to our students taking admission in the first year. We assist them, we guide them through the activities, through the process of how to take scholarship. So that's it from my side. And to conclude, I would again request all of you who have come to attend Sagar Sarthi, who have a zeal either in CAT or GATE or public sector or private sector, to please make full utilization of these 2 days. Because as I already mentioned, this is a dialogue between you as aspirants and them as achievers. In the end, I would say, I would quote an example. Just imagine any of your cousins visiting your home. How do your parents react? Obviously, if that cousin of yours is an achiever, or that friend of yours is an achiever, your parents would obviously like you to interact with him or her. And this is our sole intention to organize this Sagar Sarthi, today and tomorrow. Please try to interact as much as possible, because these are your role models, either CAT achievers or GATE achievers, or people from public sector or from private sector. We do all of those 363 days to teach you, to train you, to guide you. But these 2 days plus those 363 days are for motivation. So please get a motivation from all these achievers and have a nice time today and tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Manish Billodi, I, Akansha, welcome you back to the program. Let me introduce you our first expert speaker, Mr. Manish Likhite. Prashant Likhite, sorry. Mr. Prashant Likhite is the General Manager HR at Tata Consultancy Services. Mr. Likhite has done his Masters from Late Narayan Meghaji Lokhande, Maharashtra Institute of Labour Studies, Mumbai.
He is responsible for innovative human resource development interventions, for skill developments, massive communication exercises, industry institute collaborations, performance improvement, knowledge management, employee benefits, etc. at TCS. He enjoys singing a lot and has performed at many places. Please give a huge round of applause for Mr. Prashant Likhite for his expert session.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to Sagar Sarthi, and thanks for this nice introduction. Friends, it is often people think that career planning must be a very, very complicated, very difficult exercise, because there are not many words which were spoken here, like goal setting, career, right? Understanding the corporates. So let us really explore. Is it that complex, or it can be simpler as well? The first question in terms of career planning is to understand the corporates. So what I'm going to do is, I will start with a 9-minute video which will give you a good insight into what Tata Consultancy Services is. for TCSR. No doubt it's a prosperous company, growing very fast, high margins, high customer satisfaction, right? But does just this makes a company great? If there is some individual who is very rich, lots of money, I won't call that person great unless I see how that person behaved at a time of crisis. And there was a crisis when 2009 started. That time I was working in New York and the economic slowdown hit the world. I remember reading the New York Times headline that so and so used to work in Manhattan, downtown in New York, used to have his lunch in a restaurant for $250 lobster dish, right? And the same guy, this is what was happening in December 2008 and January 2009.